How to cancel Xiamen Airlines ticket. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Xiamen Airlines ticket. So how do you go about this? The first step is for you to log in into your Xiamen Airlines account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on the website, scroll down to the section where you can see book flight, flight status, my trip, and then click on trip. So by clicking on trip, you can see the options displayed, which includes ticket slash order number, last name slash surname, first name slash given name, and then verification code, and click on search. By doing that, you'll be automatically logged in into your Xiamen Airlines account, and then you'll be able to view your trip. So once you can view your trip, you'll see details about your trip. So choose the flight you want to cancel, follow the prompts to to complete the cancellation process. And then once the flight is cancelled, the ticket would also be cancelled. It's as simple as that. But then if you do not want to go through this procedure, you can just contact Xiamen Airlines Customer Service Center directly, telling them that you would like to cancel your Xiamen Airline ticket, and then they would see to it and response will be sent to you via your email or via call or whichever means necessary. So that is it. Okay, if you are wondering how you can cancel your Xiamen Airlines ticket, I'm sure this has answered your question. So go ahead, try it out. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.